Hi, my friends. Welcome back to the English Grammar Journey for Beginners with me, Caroline. This is lesson 3 of this course. In our last lesson, we talked about the object of a sentence. And today, we are going to look at a very, very important verb in English, and that is the verb to be. We use it every day in our conversations to talk about who we are, what we are doing, where we are, and how we feel. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Now, what is the verb to be? The verb to be is a word we use to say that there is something or someone. We can call it a helping verb. So it is a verb that we use to talk about actions or to describe our feelings, to tell where we are, or tell people who we are. We have different types of the verb to be. We have verb to be in the present form, which is now, and also the past form, which is yesterday, last week, last month, finish time. Today we will only look at the verb to be in the present form, only to talk about now, today, this time. So let's start with the first one, am. We use am to talk about me, the speaker. For example, I am a teacher. So am here is our verb to be. Another example is are. We use are to talk about two things. The person I'm talking to, for example, you are good. So are here is our verb to be. Another one is to talk about many things, more than one. For example, we are learning. So are is our verb to be here. And our last verb to be to talk about the present is is. We use is to talk about someone or something that is not here. For example, I can say, my sister is a doctor. So my sister is not here, so we use is as our verb to be to talk about her. Let's look at extra example sentences to help you understand better. Before we look at other example sentences, let me just explain one more time when we use the verb to be. We use the verb to be am with I. We use the verb to be is with he, she, it. And we use the verb to be are with you, one person, we, more than one, and they. If you don't know the meaning of we, they, you, he, she, it, don't worry. In our next lesson, we will learn about these words. Now let's go into the example sentences. Let me give you more example sentences. We use the verb to be to talk about 1. Feelings. I am tired. Am is our verb to be. She is happy. Is the verb to be. They are hungry. Are is the verb to be. 2, we use the verb to be to talk about jobs. I am a teacher. Am is the verb to be. You are a doctor. She is a nurse. Is our verb to be. Number 3, we use the verb to be to talk about who we are. I mean, if you want to tell someone your name. For example, I am Caroline. Am is the verb to be. You are Mary. Are is the verb to be. She is Renata. Is the verb to be. Another way we use the verb to be is to talk about places. For example, he is in the classroom. So is the verb to be and classroom is the place. We are in the kitchen. Are is our verb to be and kitchen is the place. The last example sentence here, you are at the hospital. So are is our verb to be in this example. Remember, we use the verb to be to describe people, how they feel, where they are, what they do, and what they're doing. Now let's look at mistakes that people always make with the verb to be. Mistake number 1. You is a student. This sentence is not correct because the sentence uses is with you, but we should use are with you, not is. So our sentence should be, you are a student. Another example mistake is, she are happy. This is not correct because we've used are with she, but we should use is with she, not are. So our sentence should be, she is happy. Always remember to use the correct verb to be with the subject. So if it's he, she, it, use is. If it's I, use am. And if it's you, one person, you, plural, use are. And if it's we, they, use are. Now it's practice time. I'm going to give you some time to put in the right answers in the sentences that you're going to see. Number 1, I from Europe. What is the helping verb? Yes, am. Great job. So am is the correct answer because we use am with I or me, the person speaking. Number 2, she, my best friend. Yes, our helping verb here is. We use is with she, he, and it. So she is my best friend. And our last example sentence, they happy today. Yes, the answer is are because we use are with they, we, you, one person, and you, more than one person. Now we've learned how to use the verb to be to talk about yourself and other people. If you feel you can talk about yourself using the verb to be, great job. If you feel it's not yet very good, don't worry. Just watch the video again and again and again. Also, you can download the PDF document. Now, I will give you a challenge. Write 3 sentences using the verb to be. In our next lesson, we will learn the personal pronouns. These are words we used in today's lesson. Words like he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you will see the results soon. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.